Hey everybody, today's move is a modified gate swing. Kind of looks like a squat with like a floor touch. So you're going to keep your back straight, you're going to hinge from the hip. It's going to look just like this. Step out, eyes up, step together. Step out, eyes up, step together. Little squat and touch. Okay, I'm going to show you from the side view. Step out and touch. Step out and touch. There you go. So that is your move. My tip is to keep your back flat while you're doing the move. So you don't want to round your back. You're looking up at the wall, squatting down, touching the floor. If you can't touch the floor, just go halfway and then do the other side. Choose which version is going to work best for you. Modified gate swing. See you next time. Bye.